All right. I hope you have completed the sign up process. So let's begin deploying the instance. Let's go to console.aws.amazon.com. Click on services, EC2. Click on launch instance. I will give you a brief introduction of what everything over here is. First of all, AMI. In simple words, it's just the operating system you need. It's operating system image which will be installed on your server. So Amazon provides its own Linux distribution. This Amazon Linux AMI, and you have Ubuntu server. In fact, you have Windows server also. So, but for this tutorial, I will be using Deep Learning AMI version 6.0. Uh, this is because it comes pre-installed with all the necessary libraries and framework of deep learning and machine learning, such as TensorFlow, Keras. In fact, it comes with pre-configured GPU drivers, so it will greatly reduce the time required to configure the server for our task. So let's select it. Instant type is the type of server, I mean the computational capabilities of your CPU, of your server, and whether it will be containing GPUs or not. So for this tutorial, I will be using T2 Micro. It's because it's a free one, but I will recommend for in I mean powerful machine learning tasks such as training models like VGG16. Go for P2 Epsilon. In fact, I think this, if I remember, this was the instance which was used in fast.ai's deep learning tutorial. So this is the one I will recommend if you require GPUs, because it contains Tesla T90, NVIDIA Tesla T90 GPUs, which are quite powerful. But and so select this one. But for this tutorial, I will be selecting T2 Micro. Let's click review and launch. You can alter the storage size, etc. at a later stage also. So let's go forward. Now we will need to create a key pair. So what is this? Let me show you. Create a new key pair. Key pair. My key. Let's say can give it any name. Download key pair. So my key has been downloaded. You need to keep it securely because it is required to log in to your servers. I'm putting it on my desktop and will show you how to connect to your cloud servers using this key, mykey.pem. Okay, I don't remember the name. So let's launch the instance. Okay, the instance has been launched. Let's go to C2. Okay, this is the instance which we have created just now, and after in the next video I will be covering how to connect to this instance on a Windows device, because if you are on a Linux device the process is quite simple. Just click on connect to your instance, copy this line and open your terminal, and simply in let's say my file is here, mikey.pem. Right click on your, say you are using Ubuntu. There will be an option open in terminal. Open the terminal and paste uh, sorry this line and hit enter, and it will automatically connect with your cloud server. But in case of Windows based operating system, you will require this putty uh, to connect to your server. I will be covering this in the next video. All right. So I hope you manage to run your server, and once it starts running, to stop your server, simply click on stop. By the way, if you are using a T2 micro, it's free. It comes under one, I think, T 1 year free tier program of AWS, so you won't be getting charged. But if you use some instance like P2 XLRs, you will be charged up to around $1 an hour. So in fact, it's a good practice. If you are not using the instance, simply click on stop. Yes, okay. All right. So let's cover connecting to your server in the next video. Bye.